Hey Leonard, this is Andrew. Here is that custom video I told you I was going to send your way. This has got some tips and tricks on how to improve your online presence and get more business in the door. If you take what you see here and you implement it on your own, no harm, no foul. You decide you need help with further implementation, would be happy to do that. Discuss that with you. It, Either way, I would appreciate your feedback. Going to talk about a few things. Going to talk about citations, content, and links. So what I did was I typed in roof replacement, Brentwood, Tennessee, and this is what's come up. You have the Google sponsored or Google guaranteed ads right here. You have some of the organic listings right here, and then you have the map listings right here. The reason this matters for you is that anytime somebody searches for a service that you offer, like the way that I just did, the 90% of those people are clicking on the top three spots of either the map listing right here or the organic section up here. Now, as you can see, you actually came up as as the number one spot for the map listing in Brentwood, which is really good. You capitalized on the fact that you've got that city name in your business name, and that really is helping you with this. Normally, one of the biggest key ranking factors for this is citations. And all a citation is your business name, phone number, and address listed in directories like Yelp, Mana, Angie's, even Facebook, and are pointing back to your business. So if you did find yourself ranking in spot two or three, or further on down the list, you'd want to go and get the citations that these other companies have that you don't have and add them to your own, and then go and get citations in addition to that to really solidify that. Now, you may still want to consider doing that just because I can find you really easily as far as Brentwood is concerned, but if I go down to Franklin or if I go up to Nashville, which is probably you serve parts of either of those cities, you're not in the top three in either of those, and I did Franklin in this case. So you actually do want to go and get the citations that these companies have that you don't, and you want to go and get citations in addition to that to help you solidify your ranking and help you rank for this area as well. Going into content is king as far as Google is concerned. Content has to do with ranking in the top three of the organic section down here. Google likes to see at least 1,500 words or more worth of content on your home page, and they typically like to see 10 pages or more worth of content on your website. And that gives you an opportunity to put in keywords or phrases like the one that I did right up here. So I took a look at your website and the number one ranking competitor for the Franklin area, just to show you what that looks like. Your website, very nice, clean. I noticed that it is a GoDaddy website, so very good for a GoDaddy website for sure. If you're not already doing it, these images right here, you can actually save these as different keywords or phrases you're trying to rank for. So let's see if you did it with this one right here. Did not save this one as a keyword or phrase, so that's an opportunity missed right there for being able to rank for a specific thing that you're wanting people to find you for. So you want to go ahead and do that. You're not quite over that 1,500 word threshold, so that's kind of the sweet spot as far as Google is concerned. So you'll want to put some more content on there. Taking a look at Bill Reagan, the competitor. Again, they serve big company, but they serve Nashville and all the surrounding areas, just like Brentwood, and you can bet that they are renaming these images to be keywords they're trying to rank for, and they do have 1,500 words or more on their home page. Now, why this all matters to you is that when you tie all this together, it's basically what helps people find your website. So what I did is I took your website and their website, and I put it in a tool I use called Ahrefs, and this shows me the backside of your website and what's actually happening. So you've got 17 different links coming from 11 different websites. And all a link is a mention of your website on somebody else's website pointing back to you. So, and they're not all created equal. So you want quality links from other websites, because it's basically a big popularity contest when it comes to Google. So if you have a link from, say, Pizza Hut, it's not going to do you as much, it's not going to give you as many popularity points as if another contractor or roofing company were to say that you guys did good work and link back to your site. So you've got 17 links coming from 11 different websites. You're ranking to some capacity for 16 keywords. You're in the top the top three for two of those keywords, and you're getting about 30 people every month coming to your website. Now, when I looked into the 30 people that are coming to your website, 20 of those were actually coming from just looking up your business name by itself, not the other search criteria in your area. Taking a look at the competitor here, again, big company serves all of Nashville and surrounding areas, so um, there's going to be a lot here, but they have 3,200 links. They've got it coming from 1,000 different websites. They are ranking for 33,000 keywords. They're in the top three for 2,500 of those keywords, and that's getting them about 80,000 people every single month coming to their website. Now, Leonard, I'm not saying you've got to go and get all of these links, but you do want to get the ones that are relevant to the areas that you serve so that you can get your piece of the 80,000 traffic that you're missing out on every month, because that's going to seriously add to your bottom line. Leonard, I hope this helps. Like I said, if you decide to implement it on your own, no harm, no foul. You decide that you need help with further implementation, would be happy to help. You have a good day. Bye-bye.